The price is the amount of money people pay for a good or service. The seller decides the price. A grocery store worker makes sure the prices on the food are correct. If the price is too high, no one will buy it. If the price is too low, the seller might not earn enough money. This clothing is priced at $10. Will it sell? Anywhere people buy and sell goods and services is called a market. Consumers make choices about what to buy in a market. People are selling goods in this outdoor market. Different farmers are all selling apples. How will you decide which ones to buy? You might decide based on price, or you might buy the apples that taste best to you. Look at all those signs with prices. If you go to a market or a store, there are lots of choices to make. How would you decide whether a price is okay or too much? Cost and benefit. Consumers think about the cost when they buy something. The cost is what we give up. We give up money and the chance to buy something else. This girl is thinking about the cost of buying a bike. Consumers also think about the benefits of spending their money. A benefit is what we gain when we buy something. We get what we want or need. She decided that the benefits of the bike were greater than the costs. Whenever we decide to buy something, we really have to think about two things. One is the price or the cost. How much will we have to pay? The other is how much we really need it. Will it be useful or make us happy? This is what we call the benefit. So we have to think, what if the benefit is really high and the cost is really low? For example, what if I offered to sell you a new bike for $1? Would you decide to buy it? We all make choices about what to buy. You might need new pencils for an art class, but maybe you also want to buy a toy. What are the costs of buying pencils? What are the benefits? What are the costs and benefits of buying the toy? If you buy the toy, you won't have the pencils for art class. Supply and demand. It is a hot day and you are thirsty. You see just one lemonade stand. The demand for lemonade is high. Lots of people want it. They have only one place to get it. The seller can set a high price for the lemonade. On another hot day, you see a lot of lemonade stands. The supply is high. That means there is a lot of lemonade. Sellers can't set their prices too high. You can find a good deal on lemonade. Now let's pretend that you only have a few blueberries to sell, but all of the bakers want them very badly. Would you raise the price? This last section tells us about two new words, supply and demand. The supply is how much there is to sell, and the demand is how much people want it. The price depends on supply and demand. I know someone who works in a store. One day the store manager ran up to him and said, "It's raining outside, quick, raise the price of the umbrellas." Think about why he said that. What happened to the demand for umbrellas?